A very good morning to all of you students. I hope you are healthy and fine. So in the previous class of chemistry we were revising chapter number 4 of metals and non-metals. We have revised till the topic reactions of metals and non-metals with acids and bases. Now in this class we will move on to the next chemical property of metals, that is displacement reaction. So as the name suggests, displacement reaction, the reaction in which a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from its aqueous solution. Means a metal which is more reactive displaces or takes the place or position of a less reactive metal and remove it from its aqueous solution and forms new substance. Okay, what are aqueous solution? We have learned when we were doing the chapter. Aqueous solution are the solution of a substance with water. The solution of substance with water, any substance with water, is called aqueous solution. So in case of displacement reaction, a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from its aqueous solution. Okay, now we will understand this with the help of an example. If we take the copper sulfate solution, which is blue in color, the color of copper sulfate solution is blue, and we put some zinc granules, zinc metal in that solution. So what will happen? Zinc being more reactive than copper, zinc metal is more reactive than copper, then what will happen? Zinc will form its solution. What will be the solution? Zinc sulfate, ZnSO4, zinc sulfate, and copper will be released. Copper will be removed in the solution, removed from the solution. So this is the displacement reaction, and the color of the copper sulfate changes from blue, and the color of the zinc sulfate becomes, the solution becomes colorless. The blue color fades, and this signifies that zinc has taken the place of copper and formed zinc sulfate solution, and copper is removed from its solution. Now if we take another example for understanding displacement reaction, so we take copper sulfate solution again, and we put some iron fillings in in that solution. So what will happen? Iron is more reactive than copper, so it will take the position of copper from its solution and will form iron sulfate, being more reactive, and copper will be removed, copper will be released as in the independent form. So this is an example of displacement reaction. Now how will we understand, how will we get to know that which metal is more reactive than the other? For that we have a reactivity series. What is reactivity series? It is a series of metals in which metals are arranged in decreasing reactivity. Like on the top we have the most reactive metal, and at the bottom we have the least reactive metal. You will learn more about reactivity series in higher classes. For time being, you just need to understand the concept of displacement reaction. Okay.